Our cab-over concrete mixer trucks are designed for concrete producers who don't improvise and demand results. Greater forward visibility, better control in every maneuver, and a cab designed to provide enhanced operator protection. Built with A50 steel, up to 25% stronger than AR200 steel, ideal for operating in demanding environments. They include the necessary accessories to start operations, with immediate availability of spare parts and replacements. Your brand stays at the forefront of every project, thanks to our equipment customization service. Because every operation is different, we offer a wide range of equipment and chassis. From the best brands in the market. Already have your own chassis? We turn it into a concrete mixer ready to produce. Braher Mixers de Mexico. Solutions that reach wherever you are.